Are you looking for a way to buy Waec result pins so that you can check your Waec results? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can buy this Waec result pin in just your mobile phone.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your Waec result checker pin using Recharge app platform. So I'm going to be showing you how you can buy this Waec result checker pins with our website and also with our mobile application. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to visit our website, which is rechargeapp.com.ng. So you can go through the website and check out the features and the services on our application. You get, so if you need support or you need guidance, you can just use our blog and guide page over here. Here we have provided content and articles to help you out for those who need guidance on how to use the application. And if you need video tutorials, you can check out the more page over here where you can find the tutorial and social links. So once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page where you can get videos and tutorials that will teach you about the services that we provide and our features. So if you want to create an account or if you want to log into the Charge app platform, you just need to click on the get started over here. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to the login page. Now, if you are an existing user, if you already have an account, you can just insert your email and your password and then you click on the login over here. But if you're a new user, you can just click on the register now under the login button. So once you click on it, you will take it to this page, which is the registration page. Now, all you just need to do is to fill up these details over here with your name, your email, your phone number, answer a question if you're not a bot, and then if you have a referral code, you provide the referral code over here and you create a password for your account. So I'm going to fill up all this information and then I'm going to create my account. So I just inserted my information over here and what I need to do next is to click on the create account button over here. So once I do that, I'll be told that my registration was successful, as you can see over here, and I should log in now. So if I click on the login now button, I'll be taken to the login page. And what I need to do here is to insert my email and my password and then log in. So I'm going to click on the login button because I have inserted my email and my password. So you can see you are granted access into the application. Now to move forward, you need to provide the activation code that was sent to you to your email address. The email that you provided, you'll be sent an activation code. So what you just need to do is to go to your email address and check your inbox. You get a message from Recharge app. If you don't see the message on your inbox, you can check your spam folder because sometimes the email might actually be directed to spam folder. So just check for the activation code and then you provide it and insert it here. So I'm going to check my email right now and you can see I've gotten my activation code, which is here's my activation code, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on activate. So once you activate your account, you'll be directed back to the home page. What you need to do now is to go to get started again and log into your account. You should know that we activated our accounts before. So once we log in now, you can see our account has been activated automatically. So what you need to do now is to create your transaction pin. And if you are asking what is a transaction pin, a transaction pin is a 4-digit pin that you need to create in order to make transaction on the Recharge application. It's like a security pin where it helps you secure your account, so to prevent anyone from using your account to make a purchase without your permission. So I'm going to create my transaction pin and then I'm going to confirm it over here. Now I'm going to click on the set pin. You can see my transaction pin has been created successfully. So I'm going to use that same transaction pin that I just created to log in, like unlock my account. So I'm going to proceed. You see, we have granted access. We have been granted access to our account. So like I said, in this video, we're going to buy Waec result checker pin. So to buy your Waec result checker pin, the first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. Now, if you click on the fund wallet button over here, you'll be taken to this page. Now, if you look over here, you will see the automatic funding account. Now, what we are being asked to do is to click here to generate a bank account. Now, this bank account is what you are going to be using to fund your wallet. So once you deposit money into this bank account, it will automatically reflect on your account instantly. So if I click on this, I'll be directed to this place, which is the KYC update. Now, because of the new CBN policy, all virtual accounts must verify using their KYC, which is your NIN. So what you just need to do is to provide your NIN over here, which is your national identification number. If you don't know what that is your national identification number, and then click on the update KYC over here. So I have my NIN and I'm going to use that right now. So guys, I have updated my KYC, and the next thing to do is to go back to fund wallet. Okay, as you can see, my account has been generated successfully. So note that to fund your wallet, all you just need to do is to copy this account number and go to your local bank account or your mobile account, and then you deposit money into this account, so it automatically reflects on your wallet. So I'm going to fund my account with 5,000 naira. So guys, I have funded this account with 5,000 naira. Now the next thing I need to do is to just close this page, and then I'm going to refresh this website. And as you can see, there's a notice that tells me that I have successfully funded my account with 5,000. I'm going to click on the OK button over here. So guys, we have funded our wallet. No, we have updated our KYC. We have created our account. Now the next thing for us to do is to buy our Waec result checker pins. So to do that, you just need to go to this tab over here that says buy edu pins. So if I click on it, I will take it to this page. So what you need to do now is to choose your exam provider. So once you click on that, you will see the list of exam providers, and we're looking for Waec result checker pins. Now my phone number is going to be generated automatically, and my email, which I used to register, will be generated automatically. So if you can look by the right hand side, you see that the price has been updated for you. Now the cost for one result checker pin is 4,200 naira, and you should know that I funded 5,000 naira. Now what I need to do now, if I have confirmed the price and my information are correct, all I need to do is to insert my transaction pin. This is the purpose of transaction pin. Like I said, all transactions on the recharge app will be processed after you have put your transaction pin. So I'm going to input my transaction pin over here. So what I need to do now, after I have inserted my transaction pin, is to click on the buy now button over here. So I'll get a notification that says that, are you sure you want to buy the Waec result checker pins? I'll say okay, because I'm 100% sure I want to buy it. So I'll click on the OK button, and you can see my transaction was successful. So I'm going to click on the OK button over here, and then I've been debited. Okay, so after I've bought my Waec result checker pin, to view my result checker pin, I just need to click on transactions over here. So once I have clicked on the transaction, you can see that the pin and the serial number is available over here. Now this is the Waec result checker pin. Now you can copy this pin and serial number and insert it on your notepad, and then you can use it to check your Waec results. Now this is what I'm talking about. So I've showed you how you can do this on our website. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this on our mobile app.
So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your Waec result checker pins on your mobile device. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. That's if you're a new user. If you're a new user, the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. So we're going to go visit Play Store, and then we're going to find Recharge app, Instant Top Up. This is the name we're going to look for. Recharge app Instant Top Up. So if you click on the application, this is the application, the one with an arrow. So if you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. So if you don't have the application installed, you just need to click on the install button. But I already have mine, that is why I'm seeing the uninstall and I'm seeing the open button over here. So I'm going to click on the open button over here and I'll be redirected to the application. So right now on the application, and the first thing that you notice is the notification. And if you go through the notification and you read through it and you understand what is written on the notification, you just need to click on the understood over here. And then what you need to do is to click on the open button over here. So you'll be directed to the login page after you open the application. So right now we are on the login page, and the next thing you need to do, if you are a new user, you just need to click on the register now over here, and then you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now, for those who are new users, what you need to do is to insert your information like your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and you need to create a password for this application. And then if you have a referral code, you can insert that referral code over here on the referral code option. Now note that your name should be correct with the NIN you're going to provide for you users. So if you have provided all this information, you can click on the register button over here. But I'm not going to be registering a new account because I already have an account. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in into my account. So I'm going to log in into my account by providing my email and my password. So once I've provided my email and my password, I'm going to click on the login button over here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have logged in into our account. Now they're asking us to provide our PIN to access our account. Now I'm going to input my PIN, which I created in our first web part of the video. So I've inserted my PIN. Now what I'm going to do now is to click on the proceed button over here. Now as you can see, I have logged in into my account. I've logged into my account. Now, I made a mention about our tutorials and our guide. Now, if you're looking for the tutorials and the guide, you just need to click on the menu button over here. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the tutorial and social link. If you click on it, you'll be taken to the tutorial page. If once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page, which is the tutorial page. Now, if you click on any of these topics, you will take into a YouTube video where you can learn about the issue you want to solve, or the video that will teach you how you can do exactly what is written here. So I'm going to go back. And also, if you are looking for our blog and guide tutorials or content, you just need to click on the menu button and you see the our blog and guide over here. For those who have not linked their NIN, if you are using the mobile application, to link your NIN, you can link it from the fund wallet by clicking on the fund wallet button, this green button, or you can link it from the profile. You see a KYC update, like update your KYC button. That is if you have not linked it. But once you have linked it, it will disappear. So I have linked mine and I can't find it here anymore. So for those who have not linked it, you'll be able to see your own. So I'm going to go back. Now, since I've explained all this stuff, now if you want to buy your Waec
educational pin on the mobile application, all you just need to do is to click on the view all button over here. So once you click on it, you will be taken to the our service page. Now, what you need to do now is to click on the education, the one with a book icon. So once you click on this education, you will be taken to the page where you can purchase your educational pin. Now I'm going to click on choose exam provider, and then I can see the Waec result checker pin. I'll select that, and like before, you see your phone number, your email, and the cost per pin. Now I'm going to input my transaction pin over here, and then I'm going to click on the buy now button. So I'll be asked if I want to purchase this result checker pin, and like always, I'm going to click on OK, that I am sure I want to purchase this result checker pin, and I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see, I do not have enough funds in my wallet, so I'm going to click on OK. But if I had enough funds, definitely it will automatically just purchase the um result checker pin. So I'm going to click on OK. So remember to fund your wallet before you buy, so you not get an error that you don't have enough funds. And to do that, you just need to click on the fund wallet button over here, and then you deposit money into this automatic funding account. This one that is written here, Wema Bank and account number with your name. Once you deposit the money you want to fund, it will automatically reflect on your wallet. Now, for those, if you want to view your transaction or you want to view your Waec result checker pin, you just need to scroll down. You see transactions over here. You can click on the view all transactions over here, or if you just made the transaction, you can see it. Like I can see my Waec result checker pin over here. So I'm going to click on the view all. I'm taken to this page where all my transactions are listed over here. And as you can see, I can click on the result checker pin, and I'll be provided with the serial number and also the pin number. And you can see every details about this transaction on the transaction details page. So if this video was helpful to you and if you got value from this video, don't forget to like and also leave a comment on the comment section if you have any question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.